If I only had the choice of one tool to carry me the rest of my life, this would be it. This is the 5-in-1. But is it a 5-in-1 or is it more like an 8-in-1? Hi, welcome back to The Crafty Carpenter, where we talk about carpentry, the tools we use, and some tips and tricks along the way. Today we're going to talk about the most versatile tool, hand tool, that I can think of. Today is Thanksgiving Day 2024, so we're going to try and keep this short and sweet and informative because I have a lot of cooking to do. So let's jump in. This tool has so many uses. It is a scraper, a putty knife, a nail puller, a paint roller cleaner. Let's see, it has both fasteners and a metal tip for pounding. It has an attachment for screwdrivers that can be used as a screwdriver. And it even has a bottle opener. Number one, it's a scraper. This edge can be used as a paint can opener or another container opener. It can also be used as a putty knife for filling holes. It has this sturdy metal tip that can be used to help you close your containers as well. And it also can be used to drive small nails. This little teardrop shape in the center can be used to pull nails. Just remember, if it's finished work, to put a little block or something underneath your edge so you don't ruin your work. So this rounded edge can be used to clean your paint roller by just scraping it along there. It'll take most of your paint out and then you can just rinse it off. But it can also be used to help in removing the roller itself. It has two common bolt sizes to assist you in fastening bolts. The pointed edge can be used for picking. It can be used for cleaning unwanted caulking or paint out of joints and cracks, and it can be used for scribing. In the handle, it has this nifty little attachment that can be used as a flathead screwdriver. And last but not least, if you get thirsty, it has a bottle opener. So like I said, this is one of the most versatile tools that's out today. If you are a novice or an experienced person, you should have one of these. So once again, happy Thanksgiving, and don't forget to give thanks. And if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe if you found any use from it.